Hello, naturalist engineer here, and I'm out here at Beaufort, South Carolina, and out that way is downtown Beaufort, Beaufort, however you want to pronounce it. I'm on a bluff. See how far down it goes, which is unusual for the area. It's a bit windy. This area has a whole bunch of islands downtown too. Yep, all kinds of historic houses and whatnot. This is probably one of the nicest walks anyone could ever have. Right off of the little bluff right here. And just chilling with the vibes. The sable palmetto are in bloom. Flowers are great for pollinators, great for the ecosystem. Nice. So one of the reasons why Savannah and towns like this have so much Spanish moss is, well, water, lots of it, good circulation with wind. You know, that's really interesting that there's fresh enough water in this little divot right here to have cattails. That is so interesting. This is a non-native invasive plant called Lantana camara. Whatever you do, don't plant it. It's not native to this to North America at all. Not good for the environment. Look at all these beautiful houses. Look at that nice little courtyard. It's like right on the water. Now, of course, this is colonialism that built these, and probably slaves. Ask yourself if the pain and misery of others is worth you to have a chance at happiness. So evaluate what really makes you happy. This is frog fruit. It is a native lawn alternative, and it is not a grass. Something like this took thousands upon thousands and thousands of years to form. So just remember, us humans can undo what nature took a long time to perfect. I don't know what they're doing. As long as it makes them happy, and it's not causing other people pain, I'm all for it. So this is the waterfront of Beaufort, but they closed down getting like right to the water. Don't know why. Anyways, time to check this place out. I want people to see this. This is a good native plant to use as a shrub, obviously. This is a Carolina floral cherry, and it's Prunus caroliniana. Oh, don't tell me it's under construction. Yeah. I like that they use the magnolia for their signage. There it is. So I guess this means I can walk up here. Cool. Oh yes, I finally got to be here. Ma'am, you are awesome. You are loved by many. We all need to respect all living things. As much as I say I have disdain for MAGA, it's less of hate and more of like, I wish it didn't have to be that way. But I still have to treat them accordingly, as if you can't reason with them. So focus on what we can control. And what we can control also is our hate. And I'm telling myself that right now. So you don't have to hate them to do what you have to do to make this world a better place. Keep that in mind. And Harriet, badass queen right here.